Credit to our production designer, si Nestor Abrujena. But prior to, nasa story level pa lang kami when we were conceptualizing the movie. We already had talks with two UP professors. One is a historian and one is an anthropologist. So we wanted to get the correct data. Kasi nga, this is obviously an alternative universe, kumbaga. And yun din, napag-usapan namin nila Direct Mike, in creating this multiple alternative Philippines, we didn't want to just be like totally creative lang and talagang getting data or getting ideas out of nowhere. So we wanted all our decisions creatively to be grounded, at least in what we could gather ng mga yung nakaraan natin nang wala pa yung mga Kastila. So we got a hold of two professors from UP and they've been very helpful and very generous with their knowledge. No? So doon nagsimula. And then si Nestor din kasi our production designer is also I believe he's also a professor in so very adept din siya sa mga favorite niya to. When he found out the movie this is the concept of the movie, he was very excited about it. Yun yung sa that's why even the set, the costumes, in the trailer you saw may mga tattoos sila na bossing. Even the tattoos we took pains in trying to really get the correct design and yung sinabi ni Bossing in one of his interviews. Yung tattoo, hindi lang siya tattoo for decoration. There's meaning behind it. Sa panahon nila, the more tattoos you have, the higher your ranking in society. Kaya siya bilang lakan, bilang hari siya, royal blood sila. Lahat sila may tattoo. Si Bossing, his body was filled with tattoos. And in the production, it took like 3 or 4 hours every time full body yung tattoo niya. No? So, yun yung background on the production design and efforts of the movie. Sa narrative, meron ba? Yung mga unang nakakita ng teaser or trailer, actually that's their first question. What time period, if this was a period, No, this is actually current times. This is 2024. Parang it was a misconception na because it was may mga lakan, may akala ng iba, it's period before the Spanish times. But this is actually current times. It's 2024, so the characters, si Bossing as lakan, nakasuit siya, Amerikana siya. Pag meron lang special event ang royal family, that's when they had to wear their parang cultural outfits, no. But it's current times. You will see meron kaming mga what do you call that, mga establishing shots of cityscapes. There are buildings, there are cell phone, it's lang. When we were writing it nga, ang peg nga namin, it's like the Thai royalty. They have kings, pero current times. Like when we go to Thailand, it's modern. And then the location of our shooting, there's a lot of outdoor scenes, no? May mga eksena kasi na nasa gubat. So a lot of those we shot in Rizal, towards Antipolo side and Boso, I believe, no? And then some were shot here in Metro Manila, yung mga scenes sa city. I believe we also shot in Intramuros. May eksena dyan sa Intramuros. Pero inano na namin na it wouldn't look too Spanish looking kasi nga hindi tayo na-colonize ng Spain. So yun. Even the language, sila Michelle really tried to be faithful to our own language na hindi masyado, kasi yung language natin ngayon medyo maraming Spanish, di ba? So they try to really be faithful to the old Filipino language. Medyo malalim siya, but for cinematic purposes, we didn't want to go too deep na old Tagalog kasi mas mahirap maintindihan. Pero we try to veer away from yung mga nakasanayan nating mga Spanish terms, Spanish words. No? So yun. Our director is here, Direct Mike Rivera. He's also part of the team.
Buti na ako na nakaabot ako. I just wanted to thank everyone for being here kasi I know the pain of going through 2 to 3 hours of traffic. And I hope we made a movie that's worth your time. Kasi malaking sakripisyo mo talaga to be going out at this time. So maraming salamat.
Direk, while you're here, meron lang pending question. Yung research natin into this alternative Philippines, how did it blend with the current Philippines right now? Paano yung timeline?
Sorry? Anong...
I think where does it come in lens with the modern timeline? Did it get
In terms of oh, wala po yata. In terms of timeline, ang trato po namin talagang separate po sila. So, kaya siya parang alternate reality kasi it makes you question and hopefully it will make the audience question ano ba ang pros and cons of being in a monarchy and being in a democracy. So parang ang punto nung The Kingdom is to show you another option and it's up to you to decide if it would be better or not. Kasi nga, in a democracy, we have the power to choose our kings. In a monarchy, wala tayong power. And you will see that in the film. Na kumbaga, the royal family and the king will have all of the choices in terms of how we live our lives. Diba? So, nasa tao na po yun. Kung gusto nila na sunod-sunuran lang, or as we are in a democracy, we choose kung ano yung future natin, saan tayo pupunta. So talagang sinubukan po namin parang ihiwalay na parallel po siya. That's it. I think.